Brought to you by GTA. We start with you.
This would mean we would be under a public health emergency up until the day we are set to reopen travel on May 1st. According to the governor, we are well on our way to achieve her Path to Half plan, which calls for 50% of the island's adult population to be fully vaccinated, or 62.5 thousand residents 16 years of age and older.
Our Path to Half, we are going to meet it. Right now, we are about 30%, which is great. We're pushing those vaccines out. And so, yes, we are going to meet it by the deadline or even before.
According to the Path to Half plan, if we achieve a 50% vaccination rate by May 1st, not only will travel reopen, but also quarantine protocol guidelines will be adjusted so that residents and non-residents entering Guam with a negative PCR test within 72 hours of arrival will not have to be subject to quarantine. What they will have to do, however, is download the COVID Alert app and must enroll in the Sarah Alert program for 2 weeks. For those who land on Guam and who do not have the requisite negative PCR test on May 1st, they will be subject to the current quarantine protocols of mandatory 14-day quarantine at the government's facility, but can test out on day 6 into home quarantine for the remaining 8 days. It's not clear at the moment whether the governor will be changing the island's pandemic condition of readiness to PCOR 4 or lifting the public health emergency declaration on May 1st as we prepare to reopen tourism.
We're going to market it by saying Guam is safe, and that, these guys internationally are tracking it. They know. They know through the World Health Organization, they know through public health, and they know through CDC that Guam is doing a fantastic job in protecting our people and our islands. So we'll market it as a safe place, a safe destination.
For now, it is full steam ahead down the Path to Half, and hopefully down the road we'll get that $660+ million in federal aid.
We're tracking every day, but we still don't have any. None of the other states have gotten it. I think they're trying to do the guidelines.